guys, this is Oksana Fine Art and welcome to Technical Thursdays. In today's video, I am showing you another technical demonstration in Photoshop how I create color swatches. Last time I showed you how I made those background mock-ups and already took care of the step where I had the swatches all prepared. So I decided why not and explain how I create those swatches. So stay with me and enjoy the video. So for this demonstration, I chose to show you an example using the paper by Canson Mitant Touch. It's sanded paper, and it comes in variety of beautiful colors. Just for as an example, I won't be using the whole range of colors, and I will show you just how you can save a few of those colors into your computer. So for me, when I was selecting the paper, I chose a Cheap Joe's Art Stuff website, art store, because I really liked the colors, the images of each color of that paper. So again, it just takes a little bit of research to see like what you can save, what best image you can save into your computer that you can work from, and you can use a color picker in the photo editing program to easily select the color. So this is what I chose, and now I am going to save a few colors. I'm not going to save all of them because I'm just, for the sake of the length of the video and the demonstration, I'm just going to show you just a few colors. So what I will do, since I have all these images here already, I'm going to come up to every image here, and well, not every, each image, and right click my mouse and save image as onto my computer. I created a folder actually, and under papers, this is a folder just for Canson Me Touch. Let's see. So that was, and it shows you the color. So this is indigo blue. So let's save it, indigo blue. And then I just clicked enter to save. So just, I'm not gonna bother with white as I'm concerned about the toned background. Let's see. Save image as, that's flannel gray. Okay. Next one is paper cream. Save image as, oops. I'm sorry, this is paper cream. Okay. My memory, that could be better. Paper cream. Let's see. I'm gonna skip a black. Oh, paper sand. Let's save image as paper sand. Paper tobacco. And maybe one more color. Let's see. How about sky gray? Sky gray. All right, so I saved them all into my computer, and now we're ready for our next step. All right, so now what we are going to do is to open all the papers that we saved in our Photoshop. And so here I have a Photoshop opened, and my folder with all these saved pictures, images. So I will just click and then hold shift and arrow key on the keyboard to select multiple at once. It's up to you which way you prefer to open all of them up. So they're all highlighted, and then I'm going to drag them. So there you go, they're all going to be dragged into the layout here, window. So now you could have opened a different way by going to File and then Open here, Open, and directly opening from your computer. But we did the other way. So again, it's up to you how you open. And that's how we opened this way. You could have gone and opened in a different way by going to File and then Open, and you could have directly opened from your computer. So again, it's up to you which way you choose to open your images in Photoshop. All right, so next, let me talk to you about the swatches. As you can see, here we have color, swatches, gradients, and patterns. So make sure you're on the swatches, and that's visible. And once you're in the swatches, you can create, like I did with the pastel matte colors. So I'm going to show you how to create pretty quickly and very simple. So here there is this icon where it says create new group. So we're going to click on it. And I'm going to name it Mid-Tone Touch. So this group will have all the swatches. I will minimize the pastel matte. So for Mid-Tone, we'll have all the swatches here. So let's now create our swatches. We are going to start by opening here on our first color. Make sure you have selected eyedropper tool, which you can do that by either selecting right on the left panel, make sure it's an eyedropper tool, or just I key on your keyboard. So left click on your mouse and hold on that color, and then let it go, because you have selected, and you can preview right in this pop-up window of color picker, and it shows in the new that that's the color that we just selected. So we're going to choose this option where it says add to swatches. Let's click on that, and we already know the name of this color, and it's called Sky Gray. And we'll press OK. And now it appeared in Mid-Tone. For some reason, the window pops up again with the color picker, so we just need to exit or cancel, whichever. And we'll also close this window with that color, and we'll move on to the next. As you can see now, our collection of swatches is going to grow. So we started with one, let's add another one. So, okay, that's flannel gray. All right, I on your keyboard selected add to swatches, and give it a name. Press OK or enter on your keyboard and add to swatches. Yeah, we did that. That can confuse you because you would think that you didn't do that, but you already did, because we can see already 2 colors added. All right, let's close that, and I'll do that with the rest of the colors, so you can see how our collection is gonna grow. Okay. Now we are finished. We have all these colors that we had opened up. We put them in our Mid-Tone Touch category or folder right here under swatches, and we have now the whole entire collection. And you can add more colors if you wish to. Again, this was just a very small process that I showed you pretty quickly how to do that if you happen to just to give yourself a exploration of other maybe paper types or companies. And you can look at one of my other videos that I did on background mockups, and you can use these swatches for background mockups in your artworks. So I hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to post in comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Bye bye.